Asking our staff what Starlight Cook tastes like.
That is like, I don't know, for some reason it tastes like childhood candies, like the 5-cent candies, but in like liquid form.
I was gonna drill you on it.
Tastes like Coke and cream soda.
Strawberries?
I'm supposed to tell you what it tastes like? I feel like it reminded me of cherry Coke.
Tastes like flavored champagne.
Fruity. That's fruity.
What is that? Candy.
Cherry.
Oh, I don't know. That's like carbonated strawberries.
Doesn't taste like out of space at all. It tastes like cherry.
Sunshine and lollipops.
I don't know, it kind of does taste like a little marshmallowy.
It's like a watered down Dr. Pepper.
Tastes like berries, I don't know.
Swedish berries.